So I did my own iPhone 16 Pro Max iPhone repair and I messed up, but luckily everything still works. One thing that I messed up on is when I got the screen off, I got it off like this. So it started off by the screen and I noticed that the metal panel wasn't coming off. Not only that, I messed up and didn't take it off with the frame. But I like the new screen, everything works pretty well. And it took me about an hour and 40 minutes. Just been watching tutorials on how to do it. This is an aftermarket from Amazon, got it for $160. I was gonna get repaired from Apple, but they wanted $380. I'm like, oh, are you kidding me? And then another store wanted $270, so with the aftermarket. But this thing works so far. I did notice the screen is a little slow. You're just gonna have to take my word for it. But yeah, I made a mistake. When you pull off the screen, make sure you have the frame coming off with it too. I did rip the little camera thing off that goes over here, but I went ahead and just put it close to each other and my flash still works, luckily. So yeah, this is my second time doing it. My first time was the iPhone 7.